How to fix verification code not received on iPhone. If you're not receiving a verification code on your iPhone that you're supposed to receive from, the first thing that you should check is your cellular tower. Make sure that you're in an area where you have a strong cellular tower, not data but tower, and with that you're able to receive messages, and send and receive calls as well. Second thing you can try to do is enable flight mode and disable it again and see if that helps you solve the problem. If it is an offline verification, try to check again within the Messages app. Sometimes nowadays most of the devices or apps and services sends the verification code on WhatsApp if that number has WhatsApp. So you can also try checking your WhatsApp instead of the normal SMS application. If that doesn't help, you can go to settings, and from settings what you can do is you can go to this option called cellular and make sure that your phone number is actually showing quite well and that your SIM card is also active. You can go to general and go to this option, and by scrolling down and going to transfer or reset, tapping on reset and making sure to reset the network settings. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.